the committee hearing of the Committee on Agriculture. I will read. A resolution requesting the National Food Authority to review and reconsider the uniform procurement price of clean and dried palay across the country. Whereas the National Food Authority plays a big part in helping ease the overburden of farmers for survival and has remained a constant partner of local government units for local and national development programs and crisis response. Whereas on July 22, 2022, the Committee on Agriculture, the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of the Province of Iloilo conducted a committee hearing relative to the alarming food insecurity and the continued economic crisis faced by the farmers in the Province of Iloilo. Whereas during the said committee hearing and in consultation with the farmers present thereat, as well as representative from NFA, it was found out that the buying price of NFA is a fixed amount of 19 pesos per kilo of clean and dried palay. Whereas the buying price of 19 pesos per kilo of clean and dry palay is uniform across the country, notwithstanding the distance from the buying station, cost of production, geographical situation, and other factors affecting the total expenses incurred, and the ultimate suitable selling price of palay. Whereas Iloilo Province is comprised of 42 municipalities and one component city with a total area of 5,000 square kilometers more or less, and is considered as the largest province in Western Visayas region in terms of land area. Whereas there are 81 provinces in the country, often classified into population and income. Notably, different provinces have different income, rice consumption and production, wage rates, poverty threshold, and other socio-economic factors. Whereas, however, despite the obvious disparity and classification of provinces, the procurement price of NFA is the same or uniform at 19 pesos for all provinces. Whereas it is high time to restudy if the amount of 19 pesos is still the reasonable and suitable buying price to all provinces, or considering all factors aforementioned, make appropriate adjustment per province or perhaps per region as the case may be. Therefore, I would like to pass a resolution requesting the National Food Authority to review and reconsider the uniform procurement price of clean and dry palay across the country.
I so move, Your Honor.
So moves. Any second the motion? Yes, seconded by Honorable Monihar Soliano. Unanimously seconded. Motion is approved.
Thank you. Co-sponsored by the chair.
Co-sponsored by Honorable Kahilig. Other co-sponsors, Honorable Distura, Palabrica, and Soliano. Okay, same board?
Yes,
the
please.
co-sponsors.
Yes.
Okay, thank
Very
you
much welcome.